I'm Morelle Frost. I'm the CEO of Sunlight Development Trust. We wanted to partner with Forward to Employment because we've got a project called Men in Sheds that has a target of attracting under 25s for intergenerational peer support. So it was particularly attractive to help us reach those targets of a very difficult to reach audience and helping to get young people to engage. And so it really fitted in well with what we do as a charity. Worked with Harry in particular because he's joined different sessions, different days. So he started off with Men in Sheds. He's also been to the cafe, and it's been great to have Harry, who's able-bodied, young, enthusiastic, quite interested in the garden and practical skills, which is really nice to see. And then Alfie's been in the radio and bringing the music to Sunlight, which everybody enjoys. And he would like to increase his sessions now as well, as he's gained confidence with us.
I feel like working in this environment's like a big difference, and like going out doing an actual job with like people around my age, because like it helps you talk to the older generation, it helps you like understand what they do and like what they think. It's like I've learned a lot of different skills. So if I went to work in a cafe, I got those skills.
I think it's giving them the best start. When we talk about work and the workplace, often people that come in who are neurotypical can just learn a role and it's very quick turned over, and then it's just generally expected what they need to deliver. Whereas when you have supported internships, you've got that middleman that can support the intern. They understand who that person is, they understand their personalities, and they're able to work with them to deliver the specifications that are on that job.
Anthony's been really supportive. Everybody needs a little bit of help and a little bit of encouragement into things, and Anthony gets involved quietly, mentoring and giving them confidence to try new things, getting involved. Anthony's kind of become one of the team.
He's motivated me when I've literally just got here, I'm tired as, and he just like got me focusing.
Supported internship works really well because you've got that extra support and encouragement, travel action plans, all of those things that somebody who has anxiety, learning difficulties, or whatever their extra needs are, that they've got that extra support to get to you and join in as part of the team.